How do we get up the hills we can't pedal up, William? How do we get up there? We push. Come on. Oh, push hard. The hills we can't pedal up, we just push up, right?
Yeah.
Till we're big boys.
Okay, we can go now.
You think you can go now?
Yeah. Or we can.
Okay, we'll go ahead and try to get going.
Go.
Yeah, get up, go a little bit further, forward.
I can't.
Ready? Go. Keep giving it gas. Keep going. Can you make it around there? Pretty technical. Gotta keep pedaling. You gotta pedal hard. You gotta pedal hard.
I just stuck my wheel.